Good morning, dear students of class 3rd. Today we are going to continue a chapter 7, and the name of chapter is If You Believe You Can, You Will. In previous video, we have discussed about the story of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Now I shall be continuing with the topic of child labor. What is child labor? When children are forced to work at an age when they are expected to work, study and enjoy their phase of innocence. Child labor is when children are forced to work at an age when they are expected to work, study and enjoy their phase of innocence. Sadly, child labor is a big problem in our country. Child labor is a big problem in our country. In earlier times, the factories employed many children. Now, there is a ban on the employment of children in those jobs that are dangerous for their health. So, child labor is a big problem in our country. Thousands of poor children have to work to fulfill the needs of their families. They don't have a chance to play and enjoy their childhood. Education and training can equip them to get good jobs when they grow up. Equip means provide. So education and training can provide them to get good jobs when they grow up. Our Indian law bans the employment of children below the age of 14. Bans means stop or put an end to. Bans means stop or put an end to. Our Indian law bans the employment of children below the age of 14 because every child has a right to free and compulsory education up to 14 years of age, because every child has a right to free and compulsory education up to 14 years, because education is the right of every child. Education is the right of every child, but it is the duty of each and every person to make sure that every child goes to school. It is the duty of each and every person of the society to make sure that every child goes to school. Many schools give free midday meal, uniforms and books to the needy children. You will be happy to know that there are many parents who do not give up hope for a better future for their children because of poverty. Poverty means the state of being poor. They make sure that their children are educated and the children work hard and make their parents proud of them. So education is the right of every child, and it is the duty of each and every person of the society to make sure that every child goes to school. You are very lucky that you get an opportunity to go to school. Be responsible and perform well in your studies and other activities also. The guidance of your parents and teachers will help you to grow into a successful, good human being. So, there is only one responsibility of you all, that you have to be punctual and you have to obey your parents and be a good human being. So today we read the chapter 7, If You Believe You Can, You Will, the pages 46 and 47. So you have to read this chapter very carefully and understand the importance of education in our life. Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.